Welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you, smokers, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 9th to the 13th of June 2025 on Monday. Uzoleka noHlathi finally confront each other with the truth about their feelings. The strain in the relationship between Sydney and Lwandle seemed to be far from over on Tuesday. Lwandle struggles with whether or not to take his promotion and step Linda in the back. Likamva is caught in an embarrassing corner on Wednesday. Hlathi started playing a dangerous game that has Thumeka sensing that something is off about Hlathi's night away from home. Magaba enjoys being a grandmother to her grandkids. Likamva and Zintle's thing takes a turn on Thursday. Thumeka is convinced that Hlathi is cheating on her and she is determined to get to the bottom of it, as her suspicions lead her in only one direction. Linda and Zolega's common enemy find a way to gang up on her on Friday. Hlathi's loyalty is tested. Sydney makes a dirty move on Zolega. Likamva is forced to make a plan to save his relationship with Uzindle. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.